So today we're going to try triple mining with our Jasminer X16Q. Now this should be able to be applied to your X41Us, the X4Qs, and possibly the Ipollo miners as well. Nonetheless, let's kind of get into this entire thing, and it's not really technically triple mining. It's actually dual mining. So you're going to be mining OctaSpace and ZIL, and then you're going to be getting some PacMan in return for mining OctaSpace because they are partners of some sort. But the reason I'm looking into OctaSpace now is because I have a safe place to hold it. The Tangem wallet actually just integrated in their last update OctaSpace, and you can add PacMan into that, so you don't have to use MetaMask anymore. MetaMask has just been notorious for getting hacked and people losing money. So I am not interested in using MetaMask in any form or fashion, and this just simplified my life. So I want to show you guys how to do this with your Jasminers. So without further ado, let's get into it. So real quick, just for reference, this is jinglemining.com's website, and this is the Jasminer X16Q right here on the screen. So this unit is actually a 3U rack mountable unit that can run off of 120 or 240. It actually says 110 or 240. So a regular house outlet or a PDU that we would use for, you know, our normal mining rigs. This unit also is set up with Wi-Fi, which is huge. That way you don't have to have an Ethernet wherever you're going to plug this thing in. It is literally virtually silent. I have it running right next to me. I know you guys can't see it, but it is literally right next to me and you can't hear a damn thing. The efficiency rating on this thing is a 0.32 plus or minus 10%, which is huge. Again, the power consumption, depending on what mode you have it on, is up to 620 plus or minus 10%. So you guys, go check out my initial video. I actually ran through the specs in this entire thing. So if you guys are interested, this is where the unit is located. Feel free to go check them out. Now let's get into the coins we're going to mine. So OctaSpace is a distributed computing VPN and data storage coin. Okay, they're going after pretty much everything that we love in the space. Okay, so that's OctaSpace in a nutshell. You guys can go look up this on your own if you would like. The price of this coin right now is 36 cents. As you can see, it's down 9.38% on the day. So now this is PacMan. As you can see, this is the coin that you're going to receive for mining OctaSpace. If you can see right there, a little eyeball is actually the OctaSpace logo, which is funny. This is like an NFT gaming token of some sort. I don't know. You're going to be able to use this to purchase some things. As you can see right here, it says BSC scan, or it's on the OctaSpace chain. So you guys can click on this and it will bring you to how to get the wallet and all that stuff. And I'll show you guys how to set up your phone with the Tangem wallet in just a second. Looking at the price of PacMan, we're looking at 4 cents, almost 5 cents. It's actually up 15.48% on the day. So kind of early getting into this. If I'm not mistaken, what is the all-time? It came out in, let's see, June. So June 19th or so, 2023. That was actually fairly recent. And OctaSpace, let's go back to that actually. Go to the all-time. This is actually just brought out to light in April. I think it was April 4th, if I'm not mistaken. April 4th, this thing was brought out. So pretty cool. Now, looking over here, ZIL is going to be the dual mining coin that we're going to mine alongside OctaSpace. Again, you're not really triple mining. You're actually just dual mining. This is going to be Zilica. This has been around for quite some time. So you can build, design, and use powerful dApps. Now, this is whatever. Most people dual mine with this. Personally, I've never mined ZIL. So this is going to be my first time actually mining Zilica. So let's check out the price on that as well. We're looking at 1 cent. Maybe it's worth it. Maybe it's not. I guess I'm going to find out. I'm going to leave this thing up and running just to try it out. All right. Now I want to show you guys the Tangem wallet. So this is the wallet that you can actually now hold OctaSpace on. And I'm going to show you guys real quick in a video right here exactly how to do that. All right. So first things first, you're going to Google OctaSpace on your phone and you're going to go to the website. You're going to have to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to click on the PacMan website down there. So it takes you to the official site. Now, once you get to that site, again, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says OctaSpace next to the little ghost guy. Click on it and it will bring you to a page with all the information that you're going to need to import this wallet. You can see at the top, there's a contact address. You're going to copy it, bring it to manage tokens, add a token. You're going to choose the network. You're going to go down to OctaSpace, click on that. Then you're going to dump in that contact address right there on the screen. Then after that, what we're going to do is name it. So I just put capital P, PAC, and then man, the capital M. Token, you could put PAC. That's what I did there. Then for the decimal, you're going to just put 18. Then you're going to save this coin. Once you save it, you should be good and everything should be on your home screen. Let's continue. So real quick, I just want to talk about Tangem, not trying to shill it or anything, but I do like this wallet and I do personally use it. As you guys could see, most of my holdings are on my ledger, but now with the whole sharding event that happened a couple months ago, I don't trust Ledger anymore. So I refuse to plug that thing into my computer until the day I'm going to take all those coins out. So as of right now, my Ledger just stays there, and this is going to be my hardware wallet from now on. It's a NFC card that you actually scan with an app on your phone, and it unlocks the wallet. So you can get the card stolen and you still have a PIN number that that person that steals the card needs to know to be able to get into your wallet. So it's a scan of the card, PIN code, and then you just scan the card again before it actually unlocks. And the best part about this thing is it is literally stupid cheap. You have a pack of 3 cards for $55.90 or a pack of 2 cards for $43.90. Personally, I think that's super cheap to have a card and a backup, or 2 cards and a backup. It's just worth it to me, guys. Links in the description if you guys are interested in any of this. Again, I don't care if you use my link or not. I really do think this wallet is fantastic, and it holds Caspa. So there's that. We're going to talk about Trust Wallet now. Trust Wallet is actually where I'm mining my Zilica to, because unfortunately the Tangem wallet does not have Zilica on the normal chain. They only have the BNB chain. So I actually had to just open it up on my Trust Wallet app, which is fine. I use 2 wallets. I use the hardware one, which is like my savings, and a hot wallet kind of like this, which is my checking, right? That's kind of how I treat them. Anyways, all right, let's get over to this. So now, looking at the Dag Size calculator, this is something I wanted to bring up with that X16Q and why it's actually a really good machine to purchase. So you can see right here, the Dag Size 8 gigabytes. This is going to last you on the OctaSpace network, or at least mining OctaSpace, until June 22nd, 2032, as of right now. This number could change, obviously, with the amount of miners that come online. The blocks get hit a little faster, difficulty gets higher, whatever, but regardless, this number could change ever so slightly. It is still good to just about 2032, which is amazing. So, I mean, you get your money back out of this unit, hopefully. I mean, that's what you think anyways. Looking right here, this little ad, look at this. SafePal, this is actually a really good wallet too. My man Rondi uses one of those. All right, let's get over to mining pool stats. Now, mining pool stats, this is where I came to find which pool I should use. Now, there's only 3 or 4 pools, I think, that you can actually use to get PacMan along with mining OctaSpace. Now, as you can see, K1 pool does have more than 50% of the hash rate, but I guess they actually can yield more. I'm not sure how true that is. I've never used it. Same thing with either of these, actually. I've never used the gteh.org. I think this one is enabled to get PAC, but it only shows ZIL. Crazy Pool is enabled to get PAC, and then obviously K1 Solo, same thing as the normal pool. So I started on Crazy Pool, as you can see, coming over here just to, I guess, diversify the hash rate a little bit. I wanted to get some over there versus going to the pool that has the most, because you don't want to have a 51% attack on any type of network. So I'm just trying to spread it out. That's why they give you that little warning. This is over 50%, blah, blah, blah. I'm mining to Crazy Pool. So Crazy Pool right here, if you see, you can scroll down. Looking at this, I'm obviously in the US. It says us.crazypool.org. That's what I am mining to. I'll show you my dashboard in a second. And if you're going to mine ZIL, you actually put your password as the ZIL address. All right, so this is 3 hours later, and that is not how you actually do it. You do not put your ZIL address as your password like it says right here. This is actually for HiveOS or something, if I'm not mistaken. The Jasminer, you need to do your Ethereum address dot your ZIL address dot Jasminer underscore whatever you want to name your rig. Let me show you right here. On this screen, as you can see, I just restarted it 38 minutes ago, and I finally got it to register on the ZIL dashboard, which I'll show you guys in a second. But all right, here it is. OctaSpace address, then your ZIL. Oh boy, almost moved it. Then your ZIL address right here. And then you have a period, and you have to have Jasminer with the underscore, apparently. And then you name your rig whatever you want. I just put X16Q. You also need to have it on Get Work down here, and then obviously coin Ethereum, and you can pick whatever efficiency mode you want. I have it on efficiency, but you can choose balance or performance if you would like. Now, looking over here quick, as you can see, this is actually my ZIL dashboard. Finally, it took forever for this thing to actually register, because the way ZIL works apparently is it only switches once every hour over to the actual proof of work for ZIL. So you can see right here, it says next proof of work window is in 1 hour. So every hour it switches for like a couple minutes or a minute, I think. And then it goes right back to mining over on OctaSpace. But again, you can see this is my dashboard. It did register the Jasminer X16Q as the worker, and that's it. So that's how you do it. Pretty simple. And then again, you will get paid PacMan on the side from your OctaSpace account, as you can see right here. Now, what I do recommend is to probably change your payout threshold, because it is automatically set to 1 Octa, if I'm not mistaken. And also whatever you set the actual payout to, as you can see actually right here, it doesn't matter if I show you, this is, I have it set to 10. That's the maximum for Octa, because I already got paid out like twice, as you can see right here. Oh no, sorry, it's 0.1, not 1. It is set to 0.1 and it pays out every 2 hours. That's what it is. So yeah, I already got 2 payouts, and that's going to be an obscene amount of transactions, and I just do not need to have that many transactions to deal with when it comes tax season. So I recommend change it to 10. That way you only get paid out like once a day, maybe. Yeah, probably once a day. I don't think it would go over. The PacMan will also follow this schedule. So if you have 10 set here, I believe your PacMan payout will also be 10. So just keep that in mind. And I guess it's like a third of what you actually get for OctaSpace during the day, from what I'm told from a few people in the community. Shout out to Steven Cicero and my man Dupran for giving me a hand with this, because Jesus was a pain in the ass. All right, anyways, that is pretty much it, guys. And if you are interested, you guys could use K1 pool. This is kind of set up like F2 pool. I do want to just kind of tell you guys that. So I did make an account here. Of course, now I have to log in. So now when you're at your account in K1 pool, you can see right here it has wallets that I guess they're integrated with NiceHash or something. But anyways, add everything here. It's kind of like F2 pool in the sense where you add your wallets internally, and then you use the one single address, and it does everything you want it to do, apparently. So if we go to, let's see, my account, I believe has it there. Yeah, right here, this big blue address. That's how you use K1. So you just put this in there, and then apparently this just works. So let me know. I'm interested to know if you guys are using K1 pool, or if you're using crazy pool, or maybe some other pool. Leave it down in the comments below. Super interested. And I wonder if any of you guys stumbled over that. I really wish they just said that somewhere on the site, that those addresses need to be like that. I guess the dev told Steven Cicero in private, because he was having the same issue. So anyways, guys, hopefully this helped you guys out figure out how to do this on your X16Q. Again, you should be able to do this for the X4Q and possibly the X41U and the Ipollo miners. So I'm super excited to try it on those. Hopefully you guys stay tuned for that. Have a good day, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.